You know, this one thing that I'm going to be telling you in this video, YouTube algorithm is going to push your video to a wider audience and you're going to get more views. So please watch till the end. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to give the video a huge thumbs up and also help me to share. Yeah, the one thing that you will do for YouTube algorithm to recommend your videos to more viewers is by making sure that you improve on your click-through rate, your CTR. CTR means click-through rate. It is very, very important. If you improve on this click-through rate, this is going to signal the YouTube algorithm that more viewers, more audience, they are loving your content, and is going to help this algorithm to know that your content is adding value, and the algorithm is going to recommend your video to wider audience. And another thing you want to do is to improve also on two things that I'm going to be telling you right now. One of them is your thumbnail. Thumbnail is very, very important. If you are able to do thumbnails that are very, very catchy, that are eye catchy, that people can click on because it is catchy, make sure to create thumbnails that if you want to write your letters on your thumbnail, make sure you write these letters very, very bold. Okay, use colors that are clear. Make sure your writing is also clear and bold. Do the thumbnail that is very, very catchy, and this is going to help people to click on your video, having to improve your click-through rate. Another thing you want to do is you want to improve on your titling. If your title is very, very catchy also, your audience are going to click on it. And make sure to use keywords that your audience are searching for. If you use searchable keywords, YouTube, these keywords are going to help your videos to rank very, very high on search. And if your videos are able to rank high on search, it's going to help your video get more views. So if you do all these things that I've just said, the algorithm is going to push your videos to more viewers, because this is going to signal the algorithm that a lot of people are liking your video. Another thing you want to do is you want to make sure to always tell your audience to call to action, like always tell them to like the video, always ask questions in your videos. If you're asking questions, it's going to make them engage in the content, and when they get engaged, this is also going to signal the algorithm that a lot of people are engaging on your content, they are liking your content, and it's going to signal the algorithm they're going to push your video out to more viewers, to more audience. So you want to do all these things that I have just mentioned, and the algorithm is going to push your video to more viewers. Number one, your CTR. CTR is very, very important. If you improve on your CTR by always making sure that your thumbnail and your title, they are very, very amazing. If your thumbnail is clickable, if it's having eye-catchy content, it is eye-catching, your audience are going to click on it, and it's going to help you to get more views. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to help me to share, and if you've not liked the video, please like the video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Ciao.